This video deals with electric radiation. There are four types of electromagnetic radiation: electric, magnetic, Wi-Fi and wireless, and dirty electricity. Today we'll be measuring and showing you how to operate an electric radiation meter, also called an electric field meter. I love this meter. This is one of the simplest meters I've seen. It's on the market, and let me just show you how it works. The bottom switch is off, and then on with no sound, and then on with sound. I would always recommend that you put it on with sound. And then the top one, there's an E for electric and M for magnetic. So at this point, we're going to be doing electric fields or electric radiation. So as you can see, we have a power strip, and then we also have a device, a portable device that's plugged into that. As you can see, it's up to about 220 volts per meter. That's a measurement on this particular one. In sleeping areas, it should be 1 to 2 volts per meter, and other places it should be 20 to 30. So what we're going to show you is if we have a power supply or a power strip, what we do. So it's about 220, so we're going to turn that off. As you can see, it went a lot lower, went from 220 to about 54. That's still not quite low enough, and the reason is any exposed wire, this electric wire, even though something is off, will still create an electric field. So at about 50, in the mid 50s, let's unplug it and see what happens. So by unplugging that, you can see it's down to 3. So right there where a sleeping area should be. So with anything that you can unplug throughout your home, that's the best way of getting rid of electric fields. This meter is available through stopdirtyelectricity.com. It's a great meter. Thank you.